Naintindihan daw niya.
Oo, patay ka.
Yeah, there is a line.
Of course, when I am making it by my mouth.
Paano yung bang nalaki mo? Avocado. Ano ito? Avocado. Ano ito?
Smile.
From Donna and Laika. Iwan ko nga eh, kung papanindigan ko.
Excited ako sa ni Mahal.
I-open mo ba? Natatakot ako. Bakit naman? Ito ay kay Leia.
Yay!
Leia, thank you. Thank you, Donna. Grabe na yung pagano.
What's that? Exercise.
Magkano kaya ito lang?
Workout.
Thank you. Meron din ulit ganito.
Kaya na-marka? Na-marka?
Love Mom Tree. So, pick and borrow.
I'm curious. I will ever see you in this.
Oh my God. This is from, ano mo to? Aha, from Mamingka? Is this Mamingka?
Ano?
No, di ko ihala. No, libro. Aha, kukos. Kukos.
Ano? Ano?
Aha. Ito yung
Cashew?
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 Ano cashew?
Another nut. Basta, di ko alam anong nut.
Para. Fix it para ko.
Company go?
Ayan. Ang dami din yan. Gambol.
From Anichka Marge. Anichka Marge snack. Philippine snack.
Yeah, Terno.
Snack.
Wow, registro.
Marik Dahitis. Vinegar. At noodles.
Paano yung balik ka sa
Oh. Open ko? Or later na?
Ano kayo? Chief, Nicole Day.
Thank you. Ah, ang cute. Aha.
Sama Amish ka mo.
Thank you.
Nararagdag na po.
Wala na. Love, I will open your gift or not?
Open. 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 Open.
Wag na awag. Natatakot ako.
Babasi!
Hindi ka ba excited?
Kami yung na-excite. Yeah.
Excited ako sa ni Mahal. I-open mo ba? Natatakot ako. Bakit naman?
Open. 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 Open.
What is it, love?
Ay, ang hirap.
Ага, посадайте тут старий.
Double take it.
Що?
You double take it.
Here.
For my car?
No.
Here? Oh.
You have to continue.
Mag-video kita tayo.
Good one.
Continue daw.
Good, pare. Good.
I got happy. Wala, isip ata.
Wala.
Mga wow.
Hindi mo sinabi yan.
Another microphone.
Yes! Saya!
You can sing, do it.
Ba't naging masaya?
Let's try it now.
I don't know how it works.
Parang tayo na-excite sa
You
mic,
know how to sit up eh?
Ah.
Everybody can sing.
Yay! Thank you, Marek! We love
They are the one who gave it. Thank you, love.
But you will sing when I will be home.
Thank you. Ano, may mic ka na. Dalawa pa, makadow eh. Kahit ka sa'y maliit.
Kahit ka siya'y maliit, basta't mahaba na ang kanyang pasensya
At matigas.
at matigas ang bibig. Maski hindi siya gwapo, sa akin siya'y basado kung mayroong bigote.
Uy! Talaga may bigote.
Ngiliti kasi ang hilig ko'y tisoy, mas may nagkisa sa akin ang panagbigoy. Parang si Goma at Manong, simple lang akong babae, hanap ko'y simpleng lalaki. Kung di mo gusto ang aking sinasabi, do you want to be as a young man? You can make your dreams, but you got to know this one thing. That is why I say, young man, put your life on the shelf and let's go there. To the wine and see I feel again. Can you to the instead of saying YMCA, say a YMCA. They have everything for your mental enjoy. You can hang out with all the boys, but say a YMCA. Say a YMCA. You can dance the beat, you can have a dream, you can do it life again. I don't want you to know, baby, I love you like a love song, baby. I love you like a love song, baby. I love you like a love song, baby. And I can beat you really beep, 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 beep. I love you like a love song, baby. I love you like a love song, baby. I love you like a love song, baby. I love you, beep, 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 beep.
Kanta na ba? Darman. Ye kamu sayaw.